Welcome back to the Car Blitz. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all things cars, campers, and life on the road. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and compact camper vans of the year, the 2026 Suzuki Carry Camper van. Whether you're dreaming of solo road trips, off-grid escapes, or a tiny home on wheels, this little van has some big surprises in store. Now let's talk design. The 2026 model gets a subtle but smart facelift. From the outside, it's immediately clear this isn't just a work truck anymore. You've got a new front fascia with LED headlights, an updated grille with chrome detailing, and a rugged lower bumper that gives it a bit more road presence. It rides on 14-inch alloy wheels with optional all-terrain tires, perfect for those gravel trails or beachside campgrounds. Roof rails come standard, and there's even an option for a built-in retractable awning, which is a really nice touch. Step inside, and this is where the Suzuki Carry Camper really shines. Despite its compact footprint, Suzuki has done an amazing job with space optimization. You get a modular interior layout that includes a convertible bed that folds out from the seating area, a stowable dining table, and a kitchenette unit with a 2-burner propane stove, a compact sink, and a 40-liter fridge. The pop-top adds about a meter of headroom, so most people can comfortably stand inside. There's a surprising amount of overhead storage, and the woodgrain finish gives the interior a warm, homey vibe, kind of like a tiny log cabin on wheels. There are USB charging ports throughout, LED lighting, and an intuitive central control panel where you can monitor your battery, water tanks, and lighting. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the seats, you'll find a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine. It might not sound like much, but this little powertrain is surprisingly efficient and capable. It delivers around 68 horsepower, which is more than enough to move this lightweight camper. You have the choice between a 5-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic. The manual feels more engaging, especially for those who like to have control when climbing hills or navigating mountain roads. What really sets the Carry Camper apart is the available part-time all-wheel drive system. With just the flip of a switch, you can send power to all 4 wheels, giving you the ability to tackle snow, mud, or gravel with confidence. So who is this camper for? It's ideal for solo travelers, couples, digital nomads, or weekend adventurers. It's not designed for full family road trips or ultra-luxury living, but that's not the point. What it offers is freedom. The freedom to hit the road on a budget, to park almost anywhere, to travel light and live simply. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth vehicle reviews and van life tips. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay mobile, and stay inspired. Waving hands, see you on the road.